So we can write the value of x square plus 1 by x square to the whole square. That is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus of 2. So we will write everything that is written in the numerator as x square plus 1 by x square to the whole square. And here you will write x cube dx. So you will write the value as integration of x square plus 1 by x square, and here you will write x cube dx. So we will write x square by x cube, and here you will write 1 by x to the power 5 dx. So x square by x cube can be written as integration of 1 by x dx. And here you will write the integration of 1 by x to the power 5 dx. So 1 by x can be written as log of x. 1 by x to the power 5 can be written as minus 5 plus 1 and minus 5 plus 1 plus of c. So you will get the answer as log of x plus x to the power minus 4 and minus of 4 plus c. So you will get the answer as log of x minus of x to the power 4, and here you will write 4 plus c. So this is the answer that you will get.